Teka lang ha. Let me just fix this really quick. Properties, cam link. Oh, I got screen link. Let's go back to cam link. I guess that's yes. Yan, okay na. Sensya na if ever delayed kanina. But yeah, it should be okay already. Sensya na kanina. Sometimes, I'm not really sure what the reason is, pero yung camera ko hindi nagsisync. Sensya na, madumi ako. Galing ako sa labas. Umuulan kasi kanina sa labas. So, medyo may kadumihan. Dumiretso na ako sa pag-prepare sa live natin. Kaya eto po. But yeah, let's avoid this from happening to the newbies. Diba kahapon, before the all-day IPO, right, before that, sinabi namin sa inyo na it's good to buy. Diba? Good to buy sa offer pa lang nila, initial public offering. You buy it. If ever nakuha nyo, nanalo kay kahapon ng 50%. Yesterday's episode, I specifically told you na wag po kayong pumasok sa tuktok. Maraming nag-greedy at nagsimula na naman sa ceiling si ALLDAY. And from this point, overpriced na siya, di ba? During the IPO, naalala nyo sa IPO na offering, we already told you na medyo may kamahalan siya yung price niya, and we're only getting in because it is Villar and the name will have an effect on the stock at baka lumipad, and that's the only reason why we got in, right? And we specifically told you na pagpasok nyo sa IPO, if bumaba, magka-cut loss kami kaagad at 5%. Just in case it goes up, then good. That was a good risk for us to take. And we were able to do that. We won for the IPO, 50% kahapon. Pero may mga naging greedy at pumasok sa tuktok na naman. Dito, nag-open. Imagine that. Price opened at 1.1. That's crazy numbers right there. The gap was from yesterday's closing to today's opening. That was 22.25%. May pumasok dito sa taas. I told you, sabi ko sa inyo kahapon, huwag kayong magpapaloko sa bid and ask. Kasi anytime before the market starts, they can always cancel that. And wala eh. May nagpadali. Wala tayong magawa. Siguro hindi nanonood ng daily grind yun. So yeah, please share this video, right? Please share this video to your trading groups, mga newbies doon. Let them know there's a program like this that can help them in their market journey. Huwag sila maloko ganito. Sabi ko sa inyo, if ever pasukin nyo sa taas, that's already gambling. Magkasino na lang kayo instead kaysa mag-stock market, diba? And there it is. From the top, pasok nila, boom, ipit kagad. Buti na kapag cut loss sila. Kasi kung hindi, it dropped to 35%. Closed at 32%. Kawawa naman yung mga na-hype dyan sa taas. So, congratulations sa mga hindi... congratulations sa mga pumasok kay IPO. And if you were able to get this kahapon with the profits today and before ka nagbenta, congratulations. And congratulations din at hindi kayo pumasok kayo ngayon dito at hindi kayo naipit, diba? So that's the reason why we do the daily grind. Okay, so let me just change our music. Yan, punta muna ako sa comments really quick before we go to our next topic. Pang intro pa lang natin yon, right? We were able to call it, and this is the reason why. Ayan, yan yung rason bakit gusto namin kayong gabayan, diba? Para huwag kayong padalos-dalos. For sure, ang mga newbies na pasok dito this is gonna be very traumatizing for them, and magkukwit yung mga yan, right? Scam yata itong stock market. Minamanipulate ang stock market. Blah, blah, blah. Ang stock market. Scam si ALLDAY, etc. Ayan na. Diba? So, let me go to the comments really quick. Magandang gabi, magandang gabi. Before we continue our topics, very good news po. Very good news po ito isa rin sa pag-uusapan natin. Let me share my screen once again. Alright, I'm very happy to tell you na SLP, USDT, SLP is ito yung namimina ninyo sa Axie Infinity. Today grew 39%, 39.63%, almost 40% from yesterday's closing. Merong updates about RON Index, etc. But, this is what I've been telling you. Kaya po tayo pumasok dito sa simula na ito. Kasi we were expecting it to go sideways already and we wanted to really, tawag nito, bodega dito sa bottom habang mura pa ang mga axis. Sorry about that. Let me just go to SLP USDT. Habang mura pa ang mga axis. Alright? Now, it's already going up. Has already triggered the upper Bollinger Bands twice already. If magtuloy-tuloy to, then good. Problema nito sa mga maghahabol, magmamahala na naman ang mga axis. If ever gusto nyo pong pumasok kay Axie Infinity, there was a good long 1 month for you to be able to do so. Right? Ngayon, pwede pa rin. At least, hindi pa gaanong kamahal talaga, not compared to before. Pero, dapat nakapagbodega na kayo dito pa lang di ba? Kung gusto nyo mag-umpisa. But it's not yet too late. Hindi pa rin naman umabot ng sobrang taas si SLP. But yeah, congratulations sa mga kapag-partner sa akin. We were able to enter it at the perfect time. Right? If ever gusto nyo pa pong pumasok sa Axie Infinity, you can. Kung gusto nyo po mag-diversify dito pero nagdadalawang isip kayo kasi hindi nyo alam or masakit sa ulo ninyo, send me a message in Financial Freedom 101. I can partner up with you. Ako na bahala magputubo ng pera ninyo. But yeah, we were able to send out payouts sa mga nakapag-partner sa atin the day before and yesterday. So congratulations. This month should be very exciting. Mas malaki na ang kitaan. So congratulations po nakisabay. So hindi pa, send me a message. I'll entertain you later after ng live natin. Okay? So yun. Going to the comments now. Earl John Ginto, good evening Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi. Dave Viola, good evening. Allen Abing, Sir, late audio nga kanina. I think okay na. Right, okay na. Sir Lloyd, delayed po audio. Sorry about that. Desync. Nano Joseph, good evening Sir Lloyd. Your insights on MM, IDC, and Dito. Please, let's go directly to charting. Okay, charting tayo kagad. Go to Watcher, SLP, USDT. Sobrang sarap. Ako nga nagsisisi but I have to do it kasi ang nangyayari is whenever we at the end of the month we gather all the SLPs na nakukuha ng mga what do you call this, ng mga scholars, and I have to sell it. Kailangan ko is ibenta kaagad ang mga SLPs, right? Bakit? Because tawag nito, kailangan ng mga scholars yung pera. Right? Mahirap na naman kung pera ko, sariling pera ko ang ika-cover ko, di ba? For them. So I really have to sell the SLPs. Nabenta ko at around 3.2, right? 3.25, 3.2 minus gas fees and everything. So ayan, around 3.2. Ngayon, ano nga ba yung pinakamataas niya nabot kanina? 4.7, I believe so. So kung ngayon ko binenta, mas malaki sana yung kitaan natin. But I really had to sell it kasi yung mga scholars, kailangan nila yung pera kaagad. May mga scholars na followers natin, I did tell some of them na i-keep nyo lang muna. And ngayon, nila ibebenta kasi ang ganda ng presyo ngayon. Diba? So, the art of delayed gratification. Yeah. Ito yung sinasabi kong magbodega tayo. Nakapagbodega po tayo ng sobrang daming what do you call this? Scholars. Total of 31 scholars already. 31 scholars po ang ang na-handle natin ngayon. So imagine 31 scholars, 31 teams. Ito yung sinabi kong bodega for the SLP at this time. For 1 month, we were able to bodega 31 teams. And now it's going up and we should be in a very good position. Congratulations once again sa mga nakipagsabay sa atin. Right, Nano Joseph is asking about MM. Yan, pullback for MM. Right? Next green will be your entry point for MM, ladies and gentlemen. Ito yung sinasabi ko, pullback muna and the next bounce is gonna be the best entry point for MM. IDC, tingnan natin. Kumustahin natin si IDC. Okay ba ang background music? Hindi ko sinaririnig ang background music. But, yan, okay lang. Right. So, yeah. IDC man, good find, right? Respected the support kanina, nag-collapse pero nag-bounce ka agad, a massive bounce. So that's a buy right there, man. Good find. Galing. For IDC, that's a buy. Dito naman, nag-bounce ba si dito kanina? I'm not really sure if ever nag-bounce si dito. Pumula na naman si dito, especially may SRO na coming pa. So this might go heavy. Close below Bollinger Band, so there's momentum still on this downtrend. Downtrend pa rin kasi yan overall, di ba? But the support is already there. Tingnan lang natin if mag-bounce, tingnan natin if mag-stabilize. So pinakamaganda dito, bago kayo bumili kay dito, if you're trading this for short term, let it break out from this downtrend line and that's your entry point for dito. Janelle Deanyo, sir, TA ni SLP po. Technical analysis ni SLP, that's momentum right there. No, not TA. Beyond TA kasi to si SLP. This is a case of supply and demand. Counting TA, we were able to reach this one right here. We were able to enter that because of technical analysis, but still affected by law of supply and demand. So I'm not expecting for SLP to really rocket to 19 again before. We are not after that. The good thing about SLP is that araw-araw pwede kang kumita, right? So if ever kahit na mag 5 pesos lang yan, that's still very good gains for the scholar and the manager, right? A good full-blown team already sa average team na ginagawa natin on the 31 teams that we have. It will at around 3.5, it will earn your the Axis will earn 20,000 pesos. So in 6 months, kung ikaw lang naglalaro, that you should be ROI already. Actually, andun pa yung Axie mo. So, the Axie, your money is being represented by Axie. So, technically, profit na in 6 months. At pwede mo na ibenta yung Axie mo, sobrang profit na yun. Whatever you get from selling your Axie, kita na, right? The thing is, magmamahal ang Axie if ever tataas si SLP. That's why we were able to get in at a very good price. Jenner Dianyo, MM pala, sir. We're already done with MM. Alvin Castillo, good evening, sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi. Sir, your thoughts about PNB? Ang ganda na support ni PNB, ah. Tingnan na natin. Meron na naman tayong mga nagko-comment na mga spammer. Let me just ban these guys. Right, mute for, give it back, blah, 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 delete. Ban from page. I want to ban these guys. Michael Dina, get out. And also deleting the comment. Okay. Asa na tayo? Ayan. Benji Nabia, parang Squid Game crypto token, Sir Lord, nagsiling tapos bumagsak ang all day. Oo nga eh. And that's the reason why I told you guys, it will be gambling. Kung gusto niyo pumasok pa doon kay all day, what's the reason why you enter all day at the top price, di ba? Anong rason? That's the question. If you're a good trader, you base, ako, tinuturo ko sa inyo lagi, I only trade good stocks, yes, good, taken that all day is good. But I also consider the current price of the stock. If ever mataas na yung presyo ng asset na yan, I will not be trading it. Simple as that. And it was already overpriced. So what is the point of getting in at the top? Diba? Right, so sad to say, maraming naipit doon kay all day. But I'm happy to know that marami sa viewers natin, hopefully wala sa viewers natin, nakisabay doon at naipit. Hindi talaga ako nagkamali. This is from Earl John Ginto. Hindi talaga ako nagkamali na sumabay sa'yo. Sir, took some profit sa SLP nung sumabay ako sa'yo pagbili ng Axie. Congratulations, man. Mura pa nakuha yung termin namin. Galing. Thank you so much for the 50 stars. May may tawag dyan, may regalo pa from Earl John. Thank you so much, man. Happy to help. Alexander Nopia. Good evening, sir po. Sir Lloyd, padaan naman po kay XRP. Let's check out XRP, USDT. Pullback, right? Susunod na bounce. That's gonna be your trade point. Short-term trade na lang for XRP. At this point on. Alexander Nopia, we're done with that. D5 Ed, si Dalima. Ed, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi. Al Kisto, good evening. Marvin Fernandez, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Entry point kay Emreet, ex-date niya ngayon bumaba ng konti for long term po. Mas maganda if mag-pullback lang talaga. The reason why you get into Emreet is for dividends purposes. Okay? So nagpo-pullback siya ngayon. That could be something. Pwede siya mag-support dito. ME20 maybe. But taas nito eh. Taas nito. So actually, so overpriced si Emreet at this point forward. maliit lang makukuha kong dividends nito. I just really wanna tell you my mindset. Oh, ang dami pang humabol sa taas. Bakit? My mindset when it comes to MREIT is dividends, right? If ever it goes up, then good, right? I will always think about how much dividends I am going to get at this point on. And andyan na yung dividends niya, blah, 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 0.24 with its current price. I think nasa 3.5 to 4% lang yan. Annually, ang makukuha ninyo. The good thing is that low risk kasi nasa real estate dividends, di ba? So if that's okay with you, yeah, pull back and bounce sa mga susunod na mga stabilization ni MREIT, then you buy some more, di ba? Ganun lang. Jose Lumba, MY News po, news po, pa-check. Thanks. Kumusta ba si MY? This is from Jose Lumba. May news ba kay MY? Pula na naman. May news na naman ba? Clarification of reports, press release, voluntary trading suspension 10 days ago. Mas okay po ba mag-hold SLP or withdraw na? Sell some of it. Sell half if ever makita tayong pula sa chart. You can sell half of it. You don't really have to hold. Take profits, man. This is still risky. You don't have to fall in love with your asset. List Series 4 preferred shares. So SRO. Ano pa ba yung ibang news? Clarification of news. Is this the one? Certification regarding Megawide conspiracy, Ombudsman indicts Saavedra, Ferrer, 14 others for turning blind eye on Indians running Mactan Airport. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, yung bad news kasi ni Emoy, kaya nagdadalawang isip mo sabihin sa inyo. I already told you, I hate the news right now for M-Wide nung nangyari to. And that's the reason why I'm not a fan of the support anymore. I've been telling you to Bodega M-Wide right here, di ba? Nanalo naman tayo. Technical analysis and fundamentals. Kaso nga lang, we weren't expecting the bad cases right here. So, stay away from it. It might drop even further. More Neri. Magandang gabi, Neri. Good evening. Benjo Nabia, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Tanong ka lang, magkano po ang hatian kapag nakipag-partner sa inyo si Axie Infinity, sir? Alright, so, kapag nakipag-partner sa akin, 20% goes to the investor po. I'll tell you that honestly. But, that 20% is still gonna be okay. Why? The quality of players that I have and the training I provide the players is off the charts, right? Around 50 to 60,000 pesos lang worth, but we are able to reach these kinds of ELO. Yun yung rank. Maabot pa tayo ng 2-3. This even reached 2,600. Very good quality players. So kahit na 20% lang yung makukuha nyo dyan, sobrang ganda na yan. So around 60,000 yung umpisa natin. I'm not really sure if ganun pa rin ang presyo ng Axis. But that 20% a month na sharing for the profits. Kasi I spend, marami pong spend dyan. Hindi lang to basta-basta na kuha tayo ng scholar and then palaruin natin. I spend on the payroll, I spend on the training, team leads, meron ng team leads. Hindi lang po basta-basta na pa-scholarship yung atin dyan. I run it through a very organized system. Kaya po, hindi po basta-basta magparan. So 20%, at ang promise namin sa inyo is 100. The target is 180 SLP a day average. And look at the SLPs yesterday. Ito, newbie pa lang kasi to kasi bago lang yung iba. But let's arrange it from the top. 400, 300, 258, 170, 159 ng mga SLPs, 140. So 150 a day ang pinaka-quota ko sa kanila and everyone is reaching it. And with that, you should be able to get around 3 to 4,000% pesos a month with the 3.2 3.3, 3.5 na presyo ng SLP. With the SLP prices right now, mas mataas pa. That's already 5 to 8% monthly returns po para sa inyo. And wala kayong iniisip, wala kayong sakit sa ulo. Right? So that's my exchange for you guys. Send me a message if you're interested. Wag na natin yung form. I don't keep it formal. Right? I didn't keep it formal na yung sa mga nakipag-partner sa akin. Why? Because we're just running trust basis right here, right? I'm not gonna be ruining my name for 60,000 pesos, I tell you. So, yeah. Benjo Nabia, good evening. Yan, so that's to answer Benjo. I was just Pangit pakinggan sa public But yeah, I want to be transparent with you guys. I always am transparent with you when it comes to mga ginagawa natin, especially sa pera. Eri, SLP tumaas. Yeah, congratulations. Hopefully, mag-maintain na. Ang taas ng Erit. Si Erit umakyat na naman kanina. Pero, dapat, huwag kayong mainggit. Right? Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Eri Itnon. Talk about A-REIT right here. It was a good buy. Kung mag-breakout, mag-buy. And then, eto dito, hindi ko na recommend si A-REIT dito pero lumipad pa rin na lumipad. So, congratulations. When we talked about A-REIT before, right? Ngayon, bakit gusto niyo pumasok? Right? Sa mga gustong pumasok dyan, I'm not saying, Jordan, gusto niyo pang pumasok. Right? Bakit gusto niyo pumasok ngayon kay A-REIT? What's the reason why you wanna go there? I always ask that question. If you can ask me, you can answer me wisely, then yeah man, go ahead. MA20 bounces, bakit hindi dyan? Bakit dito pa sa tuktok? Pocholo tuloy. Piolo Cortez, cheers sa SLP sir, congratulations man. Paul Mentera, yan. Good evening sir Lloyd, ganda ng timing ko sa pakikipag-partner sa inyo with Axie. Thanks po sir, you're welcome man. Paul Mentera is one of our sponsors then. If you wanna sponsor a team, hopefully hindi pa lumipad yung presyo ng mga SLPs, ng mga Axie, okay? But if you want to partner up with me, send me a message, right? Eugene, yeah, congratulations sa atin, Paul, man. Good, very good pa. Very good timing talaga. Eugene Miguel, SecB, Tel, AP, Sir Lloyd. Let's check out SecB. Pwede ba mag-add if may existing team na? Yes, definitely. Before magmahal, baka mag-add tayo dun sa taas If ever magtaas na kasi, I'm gonna be closing out the partnership. There's no reason to open more partnership pag mahal na ang mga axes, right? Again, I told you guys, let's use the hype. Don't let the hype use us. Pag umakyat na kasi yan, na-hype na kayo, kaya gusto nyo magdagdag. Dito sa baba, let's use the hype. Habang hindi pa lumilipad talaga. Sec B, MA20 bounces but lower highs right here, man. So, if ever, this is already a bearish signal. I will stay away from it for now. Tingnan natin sa support na ito. Okay? AP, baka next month ma-close ko na yung partnership kasi baka magmahal na. It's not a good time to start Axie if mahal na siya, right? I opened up partnership right now because I really wanted to bodega big time, go aggressive dun sa bottom ng SLP. Ngayon, we're already seeing bullish movements kay SLP. Pag mataas na, I'm not gonna be opening up to partnership anymore. But if ever you want to still, kung gusto nyo pa rin, then go ahead as long as I tell you the risks involved, mahal na po SLP, yung Axie na mabibili natin. If ever bumagsak ang presyo, then that's our price for entering late, right? That's our exchange for entering late. Pwede pa rin naman kasi di natin alam, baka magtuloy-tuloy pa diba? Pwede pa rin. Right? I'll think about it technically, but right now is the best time. Emery, SecB, Tel and AP. Right, Tel, masyado mataas na. Stay away from it. AP. Avoid this power. Resistance na rin tayo kay Avoid this power. Congratulations sa mga kumuha kay Avoid this power, man. But we are reaching resistances. Stay away from it. Shy, all day po, sir. Naka-entry kanina ng 0.90. Shy, bakit? Bakit naman ganun? I already told you guys, what is your purpose? I always ask you this. Anong purpose niyo pumasok dun sa taas, di ba? 0.90 kanina, bumagsak ng 0.74, right? So at this point, I will tell you guys, wag po kayo munang bumili dito. At this point on, number one, it's already overpriced. Even the IPO price is overpriced already. Yes, there is growth factor in it, but let's use technical analysis. The volatility will make this a gamble entry, and you don't want to do that as a trader, okay? So, wag muna kayong pumasok. For Shy, what I can recommend is, overall is still a good company. Dun sa baba, sa pinaka-bottom nito, you just buy more habang mura. Ping Waping, hello Sir Lloyd. Congratulations, kamusta po? Dito and PNB po. Si Dito, mukhang downtrend pa. Tingnan muna natin. Let it break the downtrend lang muna before you wanna consider positions. Unless you're a long-term investor kay Dito, this is a very good support for Dito, 6.62. Pingwaping is asking about PNB din. PNB supports right here. Next bounces kay PNB is already good. Pwede nyo nang bodegahin to si PNB ulit for Pingwaping. Jocelyn T. Ako, hindi ako nakahanda ng tubig. Jocelyn T, good evening. Janer Diana, sir, Metrobank, DMC, entry for long term. Let's check out MBT. Kasi MBT, nakalipad rin to eh. Mahirap to for long term, pre. Lakas ng resistance ngayon. Entry for long term, breakout at the very least, may momentum yung entry ninyo. Or if ever bumalik sa support yan, that's gonna be a very good entry for long term at least. Okay, Metrobank and DMC. DMC naman, downtrend pa. So, let's stay away from it. Lira Joy, sir, mas okay mag-hold na SLP or withdraw na. Sell some of it. Sell half of your position if you think SLP is still gonna go up, which I think is still gonna go up. But just in case mali tayo, at least nakapag-take profits kayo. Huwag kayong manghinayang, di ba? Sell half of your position if ever may pula na tayo makita. Bongbong Dignadice. Alright, I'm not sure how to read that. Good PM, sir. Bago lang dito. Sad to say, naipit ako sa all day. Your thoughts on ABS-CBN? Okay lang yan, pre. It happens. Some of us will really have to learn the hard way. Kailangan natin maipit para at least man lang matakot na tayo sa susunod, di ba? So, hopefully, huwag kayo matakot, but still take risks, but calculated risks this time. Ganun lang naman talaga sa trading. Huwag lang basta-basta, tawag dyan, sa Bisaya pa, bangga. Sa Tagalog, bangga rin. Wala rin, wag lang magbasta-basta bangga. Right, ABS-CBN, I'm not really sure about ABS-CBN right now. It is downtrend. So, maybe in the future, mag-stabilize. Tignan natin if ever may cron na yung entry. But for now, there's no buy signal. Eugene Carlo Miguel. Time check, it's 8:31. Magandang gabi sa inyo dyan. I'm gonna be going to YouTube in a bit. Alright? Eugene Carlo Miguel. Sir Lloyd holding on Tesla. It only has begun long-term play ko po so far. 122% crazy, man. Thanks for this group. You're welcome, man. Congratulations, Eugene Miguel. 122%. Man, ganito ang gawin mo, man. If ever nakabado ka na sa position, sell some of your position. If ever ma-break yung trend at mag-downtrend, sell all of it. And then just buy all of that money dun sa baba. Mas efficient yung ganon. Like this one right here. Sa screen niyo, if may makita kayong pula, sell 50%. Right? Sell 50%. Now, the other 50%, pag nag-break, pag may nakita kayong bearish signal na, like this one right here, that's a descending, that's a bearish signal. I always talk about divergences. That's a bearish divergence right here. Sell all of it. And then, yung perang nakuha ninyong buo, doon sa bottom ng reversal, buy nyo. Ganun po maganda. Mas efficient po ang long-term na play na yon kaysa hawakan nyo lang. Okay? Carlos Miguel Arellano, Casilio, sir, anong pong gamit yung SLP tracker ng mga isko? Thanks. Go to tracker.axie.management. Right? That is a very good tracker for you. Para sa para sa mga scholars ninyo if ever magkukuha kayo ng mga scholarships. Sakit na sa lalamunan. Can you give me 1 minute? Kuwala ako ng tubig. 1 moment. Alright, I'm back. Thank you for waiting. Punta muna sa YouTube really quick and wanna watch the comments right here ng mga tao. Alright, magandang hapon, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Nga pala, before we I think Izanagi, blah blah blah. Right. Si Micron na available natin. Yung isang Izanagi ko sa na tracker, hindi nag-update. So, we had to reapply for tracking. But Izanagi, look at this. November 4 already. This account has started July 9. Already up 58.64%. Crazy numbers. Yung main natin na Izanagi, yung corporate Izanagi namin. Sorry, ang ingay. Nawala eh. But yeah, it's already at 230%. These are our other... And 237%. Pero hindi pa namin... And so it's already at up 237%. Crazy numbers. This started at January. And then fast forward, November na tayo ngayon. 11 months po. 237%. Almost 240% already. If ever hindi pa po kayo nag-join sa Izanagi, let me just plug this to those who already have. Izanagi is bot trading po yan, meaning isang program po ang mag-trade para sa inyo. With that, it is automated trading. Wala na kayong gagawin. Yung bot na mag-trade sa atin, yung bot na mag-trade sa account mo, technically, alright? So, it's already automated trading, set and forget. Etong account na ito, set and forget namin to, hindi na namin to ito ginagalaw, and it's been going up for us almost all the time. Micro Izanagi 2, ito yung mga ibang mga bots namin. But Izanagi is on fire. 58% for this bad boy, for this account, July 9 nagsimula. Right? Automated trading. Passive income. Kung naglagay kayo dito ng 100k, kumita na kayo ng 60,000 pesos. Right? So, yeah, hopefully, mag-join kayo sa Izanagi. Best thing is, this is for free. Wala pong bayad to. All you need to do is just put money in your trading account. May babayaran lang kayo na VPS, technically yung computer na mag-run na for 24 hours for you para mag-trade yung bot. Yun lang babayaran ninyo. The bot is for free itself. 60%. Andyan sa video description, right? Yung what Izanagi is to learn more about it. Your registration is there. Hopefully, mag-register din kayo. I don't know why. Bakit ayaw nyo pa mag-register? I've been sharing this to you ever since. Kung hindi pa kayo nagre-register, ewan ko lang. Edro12, good evening. MC Koy, House, good evening Sir Lloyd. Good evening Vincent, Pascual, magandang gabi. Yan Cesar, good evening. Just TV, good evening Sir Lloyd. Pa-check lang po ng BDO, MBT. We covered MBT already. Si BDO hindi pa. Let's check out BDO. Bilisan ko lang to. Ang bilis ng oras. 8:40 na kaagad. BDO, broke MA20 already. Mukhang mag-change pa ng trend. So, stay away from it. Small Kids Blanco, magandang gabi. Timeless Wisdom, good evening to everyone. Good evening. Dax Aseo, Sir Lloyd, good evening po. Globe Ali, AEV, RLC. Second thoughts po. Thanks. Let's check out Globe. Taas to si Globe eh. Right? So, bearish signals from Globe. Pero, pababa yung mga RSI niya. That's understandable. Because nasa tuktok na siya. It's already expensive. I'll stay away from Globe. Si Ali naman, broke MA20 pero mukhang reversal rin kaagad So mukhang magsusupport to. Next pullback and bounce, that's a confirmation na meron na tayong support. That's gonna be your entry point. AEV, wala akong problema dyan kila Ali kasi ang ganda ng company niyan. AEV, nasa tuktok na. I cannot recommend it anymore. RLC, MA20 bounce. Right? So that was the best entry point right there. Medyo tagilid na nga eh. Bumagsak na nga kanina before recovering. But yeah, MA20 is gonna be your best entry point. That's your support. Pacific Global. Is it okay to buy na po after bumagsak si ALLDAY kanina? Like sa chart ng Monday. It's very volatile to say, man. I cannot risk it. I don't have any technical analysis as basis. So I will not recommend it. Right? AL. But that's a good question, man. But Tilray. Ano nga ba yung ano ng Tilray? Tilray. Tilray, oh, that's a buy right there. I like this better. Congratulations, man. That's a good buy. Better technical analysis. Yes. Congratulations. Tilray is a buy. M16 TV. Sir, pasilip po ng GMA at Wilcon. Thanks. Let's check out GMA 7. Sure. GMA 7. Ooh, support for GMA 7. Downtrend lines right there. Mukhang okay na to si GMA 7 na. Mukhang pa okay na, right? If ever you're into it for short-term trade, breakout for GMA 7, that is gonna be your entry point. Lloyd pahirit BDO, BPI, I'm itching to take profits. Dapat tinitake profits niya si BDO. Wilcon, as ni Wilcon pre, not my kind of trade. There is an uptrend line right here that is holding on. So, use that uptrend line kung gusto nyo pa i-trade ito. I don't recommend it anymore since nasa taas na. Not my kind of trade. PPI. Nahangos ako Daldal kasi. Shout out to Moy. Yan, si Moy is watching us right now. Moy is one of our scholars. And I really liking what's happening. Hindi lang natin sila nabibigyan ng trabaho through the scholarship program sa AXI. But we're able to influence them. Nanonood na sila ngayon sa mga stock market. Paano kumita ng pera, ganito, ganyan. Right? Kasi may pera na yung mga yan. Moy, congratulations, man. Moy is one of our top performers na scholars. Like this guy right here, this is his performance. Sabihin ko ng kita mo, Moy. Right? Si Moy, every day is earning 265, 225. May isang araw na malas siya, 147, 222. Let's say for example, for the sake sa mga gusto magsimula ng AXI and you already know what you're doing, pakita ko sa inyo kung kayo lang may AXI ng parehas na kay Moy, 265 times presyo ni ngayon, SLP is, this is in USD. Let's put it in PHP, Philippine Peso. So it's at 4.5. So 265 times 4.5. You would have earned 1,192 pesos in just one day. That's how crazy NFT is right now. And that's the reason why I always try to open your eyes, guys, about the opportunity in front of us. Moy, ang yaman mo, Moy. Hindi, sa kanila is portion lang yan kasi. But if you're playing Axie by yourself, and then marunong na kayo, that's your potential earning right there, right? BPI, way up there. Kaya I understand bakit gusto mo mag-take profits. This is where you take profits, man. This is this is Bollinger Bands right there. And then pag nag-close yan inside Bollinger Band, that means tapos na yung momentum. That is your sell signal for BPI. Okay? Na net meal, puntahan kita na net after this one. Emperador and CLI. Neil, sir, how about keepers? I'm not really sure about what you mean by keepers. That's Mike by Lloyd, kahit video. Tapos na yan. It says Emperador and CLI. Emperador, may nagtanong rin sa akin ito kanina. Okay na. Right. Emperador, too high up there, man. I did recommend Emperador right here. Kaya may linya yan dyan. And then may bilog. Because that was the time I told you guys, bilhin nyo sa Emperador. Ngayon, nasa tuktok. Too expensive for me. I will stay away from Emperador. If you want to trade that, let it break out. Not my kind of trade nga lang. CLI, Bodega was my call for this guy right here. Tatlong green naman tayo. So, if ever mag-green pen ulit bukas, that's gonna be a buy for you guys. Timeless Converge. Let's check out Converge. Right, so Moy, manglibre ka naman, Moy. Laki pala ng kita mo. Alright, anyways, Converge breakout is gonna be a good trade right here for Converge. That's an ascending triangle right there. That's bullish. Breakout trade. Atom po, 4-hour time frame, parang may retest and bounce. Atom, ATOM, 4-hour chart. Atom USDT, is it the crypto Atom? This is from Bobby. Let's go for the 4-hour chart. Alright, 4-hour chart. Okay, MA20 bounce right there. That's a buy, man. That's the support. MA20. So yes, that's good. Galing. I would go for bullish trades for that one. Do not short it. The net mill. Ayan. Kamusta, net? What's your thoughts about... Uy, na net, may sinend pala sa iyo kanina. I was just from the bank kasi kanina. And then, pinadala na namin yung kita ninyo sa Ember Sword. Another NFT, big win for us. So, yeah. Hopefully, natanggap mo na net. We are, yung secretary ko, sinasend na sa inyo yung mga receipts. For sure. Hindi pala Ember Sword yun. Yung sa ano pala yun? Yung sa Axie pala yun. Yung sa Ember Sword, through bank lang this evening namin tatrabahuin. Right, Nanette Mail, what's your thoughts on SEB? I want to buy again. Will it go back at support again? Ito yung mahirap eh. Hindi natin alam kung magsusupport na naman. But yeah, it's already showing us bearish signals at this point. Actually, I would say sell some right now, Nanette. And then, tingnan natin saan siya magsusupport. Pag bumalik sa support, whatever you get from selling here, you use it to buy more. That's more efficient way of buying more kay Seb. Okay? All day, Tilray. Al, Tilray. Tapos na yan. Dice, Heights, Sir Lloyd. Good evening, question lang. Halos mag 1 year pa lang ako sa stock investing and I invested some stocks just this January. Most of them still negative. May tips ba kayo I can use? Alright. Ganito. This is a very good question. Right. Diba? Ganito lang yan. Should you average down? The answer is, it depends. Okay? It depends on the reason why the prices went down. Kung dalawa lang naman asset mo, diba? Yeah. Number one is, if ever market, una is bad company performance. Tulad ng nangyari kay M-Wide. Right? Si M-Wide, pangit yung ginawa nila. So, if ever yan yung rason bakit bumabagsak ang presyo, cut loss mo na. Because, hindi mo alam kailan magre-recover yung company na yan. Right? Kung pinasok mo this January, maganda ba yung performance nila ng February, March, ng first quarter, second quarter, maganda ba? If ever hindi, cut loss. Kainin nyo na yung losses, ilipat nyo na lang sa Valkyrie or bilhin nyo na Axie kasama ko. Diba? Mas tutubo pa yon, right? Buy another asset, buy stock, a different stock that has good position and is a good company instead, di ba? Kung pangit ang performance ng company. The second reason, right? Tatlo lang naman kasi pwede mong gawin sa mga bagsak mo, di ba? It's either benta mo, sell it. It's the second one is buy more. Ang tatlo mong pwedeng gawin is hayaan mo na lang, do nothing, di ba? So, the second reason why a stock price goes down is seminar na to Binabayaran ako ng mga tao para mag-seminar na ganito. Lesson ko to sa seminar eh. So, the second reason why prices go down is that market sentiments, right? Bearish ang market or nagkaroon ng COVID, etc. Bearish ang market sentiments. If that's the reason why prices are going down, but the company is doing good, answer is buy more. Diba? Company, buy more if ever. Maganda ang performance ng company, market sentiments lang kasi may kamahalan na nung nabili mo, so bumabagsak siya, you buy more. Action is do nothing. When do you do nothing? Buy more. Do nothing na lang. Meron akong video para sundin ninyo how to average down without adding funds. Kung wala kayong pera, mas maganda yung gawin. May go to that video. Let me post. Just search for Lloyd Bazaar. Lloyd Bazaar cut loss. This should come up. Nope. Stop loss. Lloyd Bazaar stop loss. Hindi ko maano yung video mismo eh. Stop loss strategy. Use blah 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 blah. Stop loss blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Ito. How to average down. Average down pala. So search for Lloyd Bazaar average down. Right. So Lloyd Bazaar average down. Ito yung lalabas. Okay. How to average down without adding money in stocks. Watch this video para alam nyo anong gagawin ninyo sa mga assets na yon. Kahit kung wala kayong pera pambili sa more, yun ang gamitin yung strategy. Okay? Yes, Sir Tilray, tama po ba ginawa ko sa all-day hold po ako IPO price? Sumali pa po ako ng 50% share at dapat binenta nyo. My call was for yesterday. Sabi ko sa inyo pa, nakapag 50% gain na kayo kahapon. Today, if umakyat pa siya, then you see na pumula siya, ibenta nyo na. Kasi sobrang mahal na ng presyo na yun. Sobrang panalo nyo na. And that's the time to take profits di ba? So I cannot say na that was the best action. Pero if you're still profiting, it's not the worst decision. Okay? So it's still okay. Bobby Fisher, yung free seminar sa Co-Investor po waiting. O nga pala. Oo. Sige, gagawa ako ng Discord para sa mga investors ko. Right? I'll join ko this evening or tomorrow. Right? Nakalimutan ko. So yung mga nakipag-partner sa akin sa Axie, I'll give you free access to my paid seminars. Tada! Bonus niyo na 'yon. Right, so, yan. Gusto ko marunong. Better sana kung may vid na instructions. Ang alam ko, ginawa na yun pero hindi pa ina-upload Pero, yeah. The instructions on the link, okay na naman yun, sana. Pero, yeah, sige. Ipaano ko yung video. is a buy. Alright, let me move forward. Tingin mo, Idol, may itaas pa ba ang price ng SLP dahil sa update? Yeah, I think so because of the Ronin Index tsaka yung updates na changes. I think so. Maganda yung niya. Maganda yung changes, updates ni Axie. Bongbong. Teka lang. Balik na ako sa Facebook. I think Marvin Fernandez, Sir Lloyd, pwedeng malaman kung ilang percent ng portfolio nyo na kay Izanagi? Thanks po. Secreto. I would say, I think 3 to 5% siguro ng overall portfolio ko is na kay Izanagi. Right? Ganda nakita So, I went aggressive on it. Ganito lang, if ever it's doing well, I usually double down on it kay Axie. Double down on it, and now we have 31 scholars already, right? So yeah. Sir Eugene Carlo Miguel, Sir Lloyd holding on Tesla. It has begun long. Nabasa na natin to. Sir, anong gamit mo? SLP tracker. We can answer this. Tingin mo, Idol, may tataas pa. Japoy Gagarin, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Thank you very much for being there. Lalo na sa mga advice niyo sa amin about stocks. Happy to help, man. Sobrang dami ko talaga natutunan sa inyo. The performance of my eToro portfolio is impressive. Until now, 6 months pa lang ako. Pero up ng 23.73% na yung whole portfolio. Jepoy TV, congratulations, man. That's heartwarming, man. That made my day. Right? Again, goal ko dito is really to teach you guys how to trade. Inspire you to be more aggressive in investments. Guide you saan maganda mag-invest. Para po my goal before when I started daily grind, araw-araw to na libre. So this is tasking really, pero ang goal ko talaga is one day, hopefully, pag-usapan natin ang mga profits na natin, ganito ganyan. And man, this is already happening. Fast forward, I started around 2018 sa daily grind, 2017, 2018. Fast forward how many years and it's here, man. So thank you so much. 23.73% in 6 months. Jepoy. Galing, man. Congratulations. Petty Navarro. Kanaban. Sir, pwede mag-add if may existing team na. Yes po. Nancy Catilo. Sir, pacheck po Nickel. Good to buy na ba siya since incoming 0.22 dividends na siya? Let's check out Nickel. The problem with dividends is pag nag-XDiv to, most probably is gonna be dropping. So, baka bumagsak siya on the XDiv. If you want to trade this one out, there's a support right here. There's the resistance right there. So, kung mag-break out, ito yung pinaka short term na trade. If ever makalapit ka dyan, that's gonna be a good entry for nickel. Or breakout. Okay? That's for nickel. That's Jamer timing din ako nga, sir. Alright, nga Sold SLP also, sabi ni Jessica na. Congratulations. Sir Lloyd, delayed po yung video sa audio. Okay na yan. Saan po may share? Saan ka may share of stocks? May Philippine Stock Exchange, nasa dito, BDO, SMPH. Tinanggal ko na yung M-wide ko. I was also in M-wide, pero nung nangyari yung news na yun, tinanggal ko na. So, those three are my major assets right now. Okay? And then, international, kakabenta ko lang ng Tesla ko. And tinanggal ko na yung pera ko sa, karamihan ng pera ko sa international stocks. Kasi topish na naman. And then, linagay ko sa Izanagi. Kaya Izanagi ako nagko-concentrate ngayon. And then, yung sa NFTs, I'm gonna be focusing more on my day job na sa NFTs. Especially pag lumabas na yung Ember Sword natin. And pagmamanage ng mga Axie Scholars ngayon kasi it's doing well. I wanna focus on it. Sir Lloyd, is a buy. Raymondo Garin, Sir Lloyd, your view on CHP. This is purely technical analysis. Fundamentals kasi ni CHP, medyo tagilid pa ako eh. Right? Lugi kasi tayo sa imports pa rin ng semento, mas mura. If you're into construction. Pero, as a downtrend right there, short-term downtrend. Overall, sideways naman yung trend niya. Pag mag-support dito sa 1.20, that's a buy. Hans Quijano, evening Sir Lloyd. Thoughts po on Ali and Wilcon ALI. Tapos na yung Wilcon kanina. Still on a downtrend. Pull back and bounce kung mag-confirm ng support for Ali. Mukhang magko-confirm naman ng support yan. So, next support kay Ali is gonna be your buy. Wilcon, uptrend lines right there. Kaso nga lang, not my kind of trade. Sobrang taas na yan. Stay away from it. MRK, Mark. This is from Robbie sa Bulaw. Ubus na yung energy ko. Ano oras na ba? 8:57 na pala, kaya pala. Pagod isang oras magsalita. MA20, look at that beautiful MA20 bounce. That is where you want to wait for it should you wanna still enter Merc. Not a fan of the position anymore. Stay away from it. Moy, shout out to you, man. Sir, sa Kate Coin, maganda po ba magdagdag or wait muna, bumaba ulit and bili? Alright, it's already way up there. No, do not buy at the top because that's greed right there. Okay? Antay lang bumaba, then position right there. Cholo Santik, salamat sir sa free access seminar sa mga partners sa Axie. You're welcome, man. Ann Partida, you're a good guru. Sir Lloyd, thanks so much. I don't call myself guru, pero ako lang is, I teach what I can, right? Ano lang alam ko. Alam ko mas marami pang may alam sa akin, right? I just try to teach what I do, right? I'm not the best trader out there. I'm just a position trader. Position trader meaning nag-aantay lang ako bumaba ang mga stocks and then position right there. Meron ako mga signals for my own. May mas magaling pa traders dyan na mas malaki kikitaan araw-araw. But yeah, thanks so much pa rin. That's a very big compliment for me. Thank you so much. Anyways, moving forward, Piolo Cortez, may update po ba XM sa W1? Wala pa eh. Virgin Galactic po, sir. This is from Lawrence. Bilisan ko lang ha, pagbasa ka sa alas 9 na. Daddy mode pa ako. Kailangan papuntahan si baby. Virgin Galactic, mukhang okay but overall downtrend. Let me see if it can break MA20. Tignan natin if ever my position. But for now, it's too aggressive to buy it. So, I'll stay away from it for now. PNB, may support na yan. Sa support, bodega na. Ken Rosal, PM sa Spooser, FB, and INTC. Facebook, si Meta na to ngayon di ba? Facebook, looking well. I tagged Facebook as a buy already dito. Pwede nyo nang bodygahin yan dyan sa area na yan for Facebook. INTC, wala na, ubos na energy ko. Yun ako makasigaw. Shai, thank you so much for the effort, sir. Newbie po ako. Laking tulong po na papanood ko po kayo. Happy to help. INTC, this is looking well. Pull back and bounce, man. The next pull back and bounce, that's gonna be your entry point. Raymond Garin, thoughts on Maxis, Sir Lloyd, and Meg? Let's check out. Kumustahin nga natin si Meg? We were able to catch Meg. We called it on the bottom. Maxis, MA20 bounce. If you want to trade this one, this is the best time, I would say. Kasi low risk, pero with this kind of market, I don't think this is gonna sustain. Pero kung gusto nyo short-term trade to, use MA20 as your support. Next one is Meg. Last 5 na lang kung abot pa tayo. Wala na akong boses, man. Breakout for Mega World is gonna be the next trade point. Jessica nang, tsaka kasali po ba partner sa Ember Sword? Yes po, kasali. Gagawa ako ng Discord natin sa mga partners lahat. Ann Partida, thank you Sir Lloyd for teaching us. Happy to help. Ann, thank you. Sir Lloyd teaching. This is from Sarah J. Datal. Thank you. Thank you so much, Junior. Nano, thank you for your time. Thank you, man. Happy to help. Thank you so much for the efforts. Yan. And thank you na. Right, so, reminders na nga, Izanagi still open. So, if ever you're a newbie, kung bago pa lang kayo, I don't recommend you trade with your real money right away. Yung first 6 months ninyo, try to right trade lang. If ever meron kayong access sa practice trade platform dyan with trading with the real market, use that. If ever wala, then there's nothing stopping you. Sulat-sulat lang muna, uy, sabi ni Sir Lloyd, buy daw to kasi ganito ganyan. So I wrote it down. This is buy right here. So if ever bumili ako dito ngayon ng 20,000 pesos, tignan mo the next coming days kung kumita. And then that's a good system for you. You can try it in the future. If ever mali, then tignan nyo bakit may mali. Sulat-sulat lang muna. And ang problema niyan is you're not taking advantage of the opportunity. Hindi kayo kumikita. That's the reason why, man, andyan si copy trading, advocacy ko po yan when I started also. Kasi wala po yan copy trading or itong bot trading na ito when I started. So I really had to learn na sinusunog ko yung pera ko, but I had the heart to really learn the trading. But not everyone has that dedication sa simula. Ngayon, pwede na kayong mag-aral na hindi nasusunog ang pera ninyo. Of course, tumutubo pa because of automated trading. Check out Izanagi. It has been doing well for you guys. Andyan sa video description, registration, and the video about it so that you'll know more about it. Keep an open mind. Look at the video. If ever magustuhan ninyo, test it out. Start small. Diba? And also, kay Axie Infinity, mukhang lilipad na. I'm still open to the partnership since hindi pa naman lumilipad yung presyo ng mga Axie. So if ever you want to partner up, send me a message in Financial Freedom 101 so that let's do this. Ako na bahala. Wala na kayong sakit sa ulo. Ako na magpatubo ng pera ninyo. Nakatulong pa tayo ng mga kabataan natin, di ba? Mabigyan sila ng trabaho. That's it for me this evening. Wala na akong boses. I'll see you again tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye everyone. Nano, thank you for this 100 stars, man. Thank you so much. Thank you.